Now having listened to all this, right? You're sitting there as Oak Integrated Systems. How are you planning as a company what is your focus area going to be?
Thank you, Peter, and it's a privilege being part of this panel alongside with you. We actually have different customers, and as you mentioned, we have put forward with so many requirements. May it be large, may it be small companies, but in the transformation, how Oak takes it from the point of giving us the requirement. We look at what the customer wants, what is the customer's business requirement. So we go one step ahead without just responding to the customer saying, okay, sir, this is the BOM and this is what you ask and this is the price. So we go a little bit further and understand their business and how we can transform our technical team. So just to elaborate a little bit of our company, we have our sales team, we have our pre-sales team, as well as an enterprise technical team. These teams are having a lot of technical guys who are veterans in their respective areas, may it be data center, may it be security and networking. So we come back to the company and understand their requirement. We also bring in our own insights, how they should transform, how they can save money in terms of reducing power, reducing cooling, and reducing space. Sometimes they might be looking at a traditional way of approach, but as being working with multiple industry experts as well as principals, we get most of the information with our engineers, and what we do is we sometimes do re-architects and going to the customer and we suggest, okay, yes, this is what you required and requested, but we also have this design which will give a little bit of more transformation and an edge to serve your customer in a much more better way. Because gone are the days where the customer will come to the business. Now it's a matter of whether the customer can have the service at their doorstep, wherever they are, while at transit, maybe while traveling, maybe working on a holiday, but still take business decisions. So our engineers, how they work is, they'll design the system with security, with availability, to keep the systems up and running 24/7.
So it's great that you're focusing on those two key aspects of business continuity. Thank you. One question before we ask each of you gentlemen to give your quick thoughts on the topic, just like a one-liner or a two-liner. How are you finding it? Is it now with the brain drain that we're having? How easy is it for you to attract and retain good people at Oak Integrated Systems? Do you see that as a challenge?
Yes, we see it as a challenge, and also we have our own way of retaining our staff. We also have our how can I put it, incubation system. We speak with reputed universities. Our recruitment is not paper-based, qualification-based evaluation. It's a practical evaluation which we do. And we also provide them with knowledge with our technical partners, principals, to get their certifications. Since we are representing VMware, we have about 5 certified engineers, some who are having about more than 15 years of experience transforming traditional systems to virtualization. These days, they are working with hybrid and multi-cloud systems as well, including VMware. We also are specialized in migrations, especially from different platforms to VMware and vice versa to hyperscalers even. So,
which means you are invest a bit on certifications and things like that, right?
Absolutely.
So you're doing that, you're getting people, your guys certified and
yes,
supporting
so
that.
From the day one, the engineer starts with us. We are putting them to multiple technologies,
That's
giving
great.
them access, giving them portal access, exposing them with the principal technical teams, and certifying them for them to serve our customers
right.
24/7.
Thank you.